Imagine waking up, walking to the beach, and instead of calm blue waves, you see a glowing red sea of molten rock stretching to the horizon. The sound of waves? Gone, replaced by a deafening roar of bubbling lava. That's right. What if Earth's ocean suddenly turned into lava? Let's just say, your beach vacation is over. The moment the oceans transform, the entire planet goes into chaos. You see, our oceans aren't just giant puddles of water. They regulate climate, drive weather, and keep life alive. So replacing them with lava isn't just hot, it's catastrophic. In the first few seconds, massive explosions would rip across the planet. Lava meeting cold rock and trapped seawater would instantly turn that water into steam. Huge blasts would shake the continents, hurling rock and ash miles into the sky. The air would fill with toxic gases and superheated steam. Oxygen levels would crash. The sky would turn dark red, glowing from the reflection of all that molten rock. Standing anywhere near the coast, you'd be vaporized before you could even say volcano. But it gets worse. Water helps Earth keep cool. Without it, there's nothing to absorb the sun's heat. The thin ocean crust would start cracking, collapsing into the mantle below. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would go off like fireworks. It would be a chain reaction, one volcano triggering the next, until the entire planet became a single burning inferno. And the atmosphere? It wouldn't stay blue for long. All that steam and carbon dioxide would trap heat in the air, kicking off an unstoppable greenhouse effect. The planet would become hotter than Venus, hundreds of degrees day and night. Rain impossible, winds gone. Even the clouds would be scorched away. Now imagine what happens to life. Every fish, whale, and coral reef gone in seconds. Land animals? Cooked alive. Even the hardiest microbes that survive near volcanic vents would struggle. Maybe a few would hide underground, but for everyone else, Earth just became the galaxy's newest barbecue planet. And as the lava cools, it would form a solid crust over most of the planet. Continents and ocean floors would blend together into one rough, jagged surface. The air would be thick with ash and gas, glowing orange from constant lightning storms. Any water left would exist only as vapor, slowly drifting off into space. Over millions of years, the planet might stabilize again. The lava would harden, forming new landmasses. Maybe, just maybe, if new water arrived from comets or deep underground, Earth could rebuild, a brand new world rising from the ashes. But here's the crazy part. This scenario isn't totally fantasy. In a few billion years, when the sun swells into a red giant, it'll actually boil our oceans away and melt the Earth's crust. So, in a sense, this lava ocean Earth is our planet's future. So yeah, it sounds epic, but oceans turning into lava would be the fastest way to erase all life on Earth. No water, no weather, no humans. Just a glowing, silent planet drifting through space. Maybe next time you visit the ocean, take a second to appreciate it. Not just for the sunsets and waves, but for keeping our world cool, alive, and not, on fire. If you enjoyed this fiery thought experiment, hit that like button, drop your wildest what-if idea in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun science stories every week.